Hello. I think you can get me. Mm, Cell biology. Cell biology. Wanting to understand the human cellular biology, you're on the right channel. So, for this specific video, I want to look at the human cell biology. So, we shall talk about the cell, and I believe you all know that a cell as the smallest structural, structural and functional unit. The smallest structural and functional unit of a living body. So, looking at the human cells, they have got some general characteristics of human cells. So when we look at these ones, you will understand or you will appreciate that they need nutrients and oxygen for their survival. They will excrete carbon dioxide and the metabolic waste products for their survival. Cells in general will will as human cells, they will show immediate response to the entry of invaders like bacteria, fungi, and other toxic substances. So cells as a general characteristics then, still will produce their own energy for growth, repair, and other activities of the cell. Cells in general reproduce by division, except the neurons, except the neurons which do not reproduce. So besides that, there are some other simple, other some, other general characteristics of cells. But importantly, I need to go and look at the cell structure. So these cells are composed of three main parts. That is the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. So those are the three main parts of a cell. I think let's try to illustrate them here. Being the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. But for today, for the purposes of today's video session, we are going to look at this part, the cell membrane of the cell is what we shall look at in details. The cell membrane. The cell membrane also is composed of the proteins, which make up the biggest percentage of the cell membrane. Then this is followed by the lipids, and then lastly the carbohydrates. These form the least percentage in composition, the least percentage in composition. So we shall end there for the purposes of this video, but to follow along with our subsequent videos, I beg you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. But for this session, I sign out. I sign out.